How to install and download DJI Mimo app on your Android or iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is, if you are using the iOS, then tap on the App Store from the home screen, and for Android, tap on the Google Play Store. Then simply tap on the search address bar and type down DJI Mimo. Then all you have to do is select the app version available there. Then tap on the get or download option available and wait for a while for your installation to be completed. Once installation has been completed, you can see open option available there. Simply tap on the open and open it to your device. Then connect your DJI Osmo Pocket, Osmo Action or Osmo mobile device via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.